Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I will be sharing 10 lines essay about the importance of trees. Number 1. Trees are a precious gift. Number 2. They give us oxygen. Number 3. They provide us with foods. Number 4. Trees help improve air quality. Number 5. They absorb carbon dioxide. Number 6. They help prevent soil erosion. Number 7. Trees supply timber for construction and furniture. Number 8. They offer habitat for wildlife. Number 9. Trees shade animals and crops. Number 10. We should plant more trees. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.